think this is a suicide mission under the giant foot of death. Not at all. This is just a normal, albeit highly chaotic, workday for the Savannah's finest sanitation engineer. To find out why our little buddy had to drop everything and run for his life, let's rewind the clock a bit. It all started when a gift from above, a massive pile of elephant dung unexpectedly touched down. Catching that irresistible aroma, our glossy black dung beetle instantly took to the skies. Sure, his flying skills are a bit under the influence, wobbling blindly through the air, but the target is locked. He nosedives into a landing in the most aggressive way possible. Welcome to nature's elite ecological recycling plant, where absolute waste is spun into gold, keeping this vast ecosystem fertile and thriving. With extraordinary grit, our guy sculpts a flawless dung ball and starts rolling it with lightning speed. Can you believe the sheer strength packed into that tiny body? But wait a second. What did this smooth operator just run over? A bunch of innocent, bewildered little frogs. Driving like that is a guaranteed way to get your license suspended, buddy. Seeing someone strike it rich, the opportunists start sniffing around. An epic dung beetle turf war breaks out, as thrilling as any Hollywood blockbuster. Flipping, wrestling, and absolutely nobody is willing to surrender this precious piece of real estate. Ironically, our leading man ends up flipped on his back, staring completely helplessly at the sky. Can you feel the pure frustration and resentment of a competitor tasting bitter defeat? Deep down, he's probably screaming and crying like a tragic social media meme. But no, a true ecological engineer never throws in the towel. He refuses to let go. Regaining his footing, he channels some next-level physics, using his powerful hind legs to push the ball straight up the incline. Inch by inch, he hauls the literal fruits of his labor back home. The sheer hustle to build a future for his family is honestly inspiring, isn't it? Back to the present. After the elephant herd goes stomping by and our guy narrowly escapes being squashed flat, he miraculously finds his ball completely intact. Over in the nearby puddle, those baby frogs he ran over earlier are finally getting some peaceful swimming time. And yet, old habits die hard. Our terrible driver swerves out of his lane and flattens the frog squad all over again. Are you seriously trying to pull a hit and run after causing a mess like that? But karma comes for everyone. Splash! He slips and plummets straight into a thick red mud pit. Despite his frantic flailing, things are looking pretty grim. Will our resilient beetle break free from the swamp to reclaim his glory, or is this the end of the line on the unforgiving Savannah? Drop your predictions in the comments below.